Meaning of letter bomb.
Letter bomb.
Letter bomb.
Letter bomb.
Letter bomb. A letter bomb is a type of explosive device that is designed to be delivered by postal mail. It typically consists of a small package or envelope that contains explosives, shrapnel, or both. Letter bombs are often sent with the intention of causing harm to the recipient or others who may come into contact with the package. They are illegal in many countries and are considered to be a form of terrorism. The term letter bomb can also be used more broadly to refer to any type of threatening or abusive letter that is sent through the mail.